Hey, what's up? So I'm changing the front brake rotors on a 1988 Porsche 944 Turbo using a few CRC products for this job. You don't need to remove the brake pads, but if you want to, this is how you do it. Open up this little door, pull them out. There are two bolts on the back of the caliper, and I'm gently prying the caliper off with a screwdriver. If you don't want to pry on your precious caliper, remove the brake pads before you remove the caliper bolts. I'm just drilling out the set screws for the rotor because they are old and rusted. You're going to need two bolts to thread into the rotors to press the rotors off the hub. And as you can see, it will push the rotor off of the hub. Your rotor might be loose already and you might not need to do this, but in my case these rotors are probably 20 years old. This is some older footage that I shot in 2016. Wow, look at all that rust. Before installing the new rotor, clean it off. There's a coating of oil from the factory. You only need to clean the surface that the pads touch. And then the CRC makes this cool stuff called de-squeak. It's actually a coating for the rotors, and it prevents the brakes from squeaking. Just let the rotor dry for a minute, and just apply a coating. It's supposed to be a light coating, that's probably too much. But oh well. Then on the brake pads, use some disc brake quiet. I'll let that cure while I reinstall the rotor. Before I put the caliper back on, I'm going to add some CRC ceramic brake system grease. There aren't any slide pins on this caliper, obviously, because it's one piece, but you still want to lubricate the surfaces where the pads slide on. Whoop. I should probably clean these calipers up better, but so I just take the caliper grease on my finger. I just spread it on like that. There may be a better way of doing this, but I don't know about it. I'm not going to look for it, because this works. Now this caliper can go on. I don't use the rotor screws. You can if you want to. I'm not even bothering with those. So now this is on, this gets torqued to 63 foot-pounds on those bolts back there. and you can put the pads in. Come on. Probably shouldn't have to hammer them in, but that's why I said I should have cleaned these a little more, but the pad is still loose in there once it's all the way in. So now this can get closed up. And that's done. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload videos. I'll have links in the description to where you can buy your brake products for your 944. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.